And we begin tonight with a multi-million-dollar retirement plan in East Moline. The city considering a nearly $40 million bond investment to pay off underfunded police and firefighter pensions. And News 8 Shelby Kluver spoke to city officials who say despite the risks, the plan could actually save taxpayer money. It's new tonight on News 8 at 5.
It's one emergency that could cost taxpayers millions. Across Illinois, towns are trying to figure out how to pay police and fire pensions. By 2040, East Moline has to find nearly $40 million.
As that requirement or that burden grows, it's consuming more and more of our property tax yield.
City Administrator Doug Maxheiner says rising pension costs leave less money overall.
We can't provide those park services. We can't take care of the roads.
To pay off its pensions, East Moline would need to spend over $3 million a year. But even that amount needs to double over the next 2 decades.
That's in addition to the normal cost for our active employees.
It's why the city is now looking at a general obligation bond. The idea is to borrow nearly $40 million at a low interest rate and hopefully earn around 7% in annual returns.
Let's say we don't get our assumption of 7%. Let's say we get a 4% return. The savings on that would still be better than what if we didn't do anything.
Maxheiner says one large investment keeps annual pension payments at a fixed rate.
Towards the tail end of these bonds, it's nearly $4 million savings annually. So the aggregate of that over that 19-20 year period is $30 million.
But not everyone agrees.
Should not be borrowing tons of money to put it in the stock market.
Ted Dabrowski is president of WirePoints, an Illinois nonprofit research group.
What if East Moline gets into the market at the top of the market and we're only down from there 20-30%?
A growing problem.
We think it's a greater risk not doing anything.
With a looming deadline. In East Moline, Shelby Kluver, WQAD News 8.
And East Moline City Council wants to hear your thoughts on this proposed bond. There will be a public comment section during tonight's City Council meeting at 6:30.